Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today I'm bringing you an all-inclusive kit in the Spring Summer catalogue. It's Lots of Happy card kit. It's on page 15 and it's £31.50. Now I don't normally buy lots of kits, but over the last 18 months I seem to be buying more and more because I've fallen in love with them. So with this one you get this beautiful box that I'm about to show you, and all of this. You get a little ink pad, some crayons, the stamps and everything else. These are the stamps. They're really beautiful. So let me show you. So here's my lovely box. It's quite substantial. Nice box. So let's have a look. So you get 4 watercolour crayons in Berry Burst. Not sure, hang on, does it tell you? I wonder if you get a list. Sorry, wrong page. Page 15. You get watercolour pencils. Doesn't say, but I would imagine that's Fresh Fig, Old Olive, Flirty Flamingo and Lemon Lime, I would imagine they look like. We will see. Anyway, look at the stamps. Let me show you them. Let me get you some card. Can you see them? So you've got sending you lots of love, sending you lots plus lots of happy, for being a friend, thank you, I'm always here for you. Then you've got 2 lovely flower stamps. Then you've got you deserve the best life just has to offer. And here's to the happiest birthday yet. And they're all lovely shapes. They're all really nice shapes. So, and then there's the little ink spot. I really like these. These are so cool, and you get a perforated bit here that if you run your fingernail, then you can just open it, she says. Right. Or I get my, there you go, my snips. You can't buy black spot at the minute. Oh, it's because that's there. Oh, see, knew there was a reason. Can I get that one off? Okay. Right, now I can do it. Nice little blink black stamp spot, then to the body of it. So this is everything. I can see dimensionals. I can see a block. I've never had a block before. There isn't one of our normal thick blocks. Oh, look, you get a cute little block that's got stamping up on it. So get rid of the rubbish. Let's get rid of that because that's just card to make. Right. You do. There's the instructions, look. So this is some of the samples that you can do. Oh, I love the new size envelopes and cards. I've got lots of those to do in class, so I'll be using those. So here's just some ideas, look. So that's good. Then what do you get? Because I haven't read. I'm really bad at reading instructions and things, so I haven't read. So you get 2 of these, and this all breaks down, look, and you've got 2, 4, 6 on each. So you've got 2 sheets of that. I'm sorry, I'm snuffling. And then you've got, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of this one. Now this one, look. Oh. You've got, see, got one sheet of that one. Let's get rid of that. Look, you can just take all these out really easily. There's nothing to remove. I like this one. Look at this one. The detail on here with all the cutting out. Look at that. It's really cool. It's all really cool. So you get all that. And I'm not sure. I suppose I should read. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those size envelopes and 8 cards to go with it. Then you get some vellum with leaves cut out. Wow, they're really cool. I like those. Get several sheets of that. Then you get 2 more of these, and these are cut again into different sizes. Dimensionals. So basically you've got everything you need to make these cards. Oh, look at these. So these I think are our new card sizes. There's 4 envelopes there, and look, there's some 4 tiny ones. Oh, you get some lemon lime twist ribbon. And then here's the little cards, look. Oh, and you can use them the other way around and have that on the inside. Here's some wisp white card. More envelopes. 4 more of those size envelope. Well, and then 4 of these, so I bet they fit in there, yes. So here's that size. So there's 4 of those, 4 of those, and 4 that size. You get loads of these to do your Stampin' on. Oh, I've got my cold back. Where should I go? There's the vellum. And then, so how many did I say? 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and 4, 4, 4. So 4, 8, 12. You get 20 cards. So you get 20 cards. You get the pencils, the block, the ink spot, the stamps, and all of these embellishments for £31.50. I think that's really good. So I'm going to go away now. I'm going to make up some cards, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what I've made. Take care. Bye.